Hello, Golden Valley. Are you aware that an Arizona state delegate by the name of Leslie Tyler hosted an event on October 12, 2025, at the Golden Valley Veterans Park? Well, it appears that she took an American Legion insurance policy that was made out for a building located next to the Veterans Park and the American Legion and attempted to pass it off in an application that was used to gain a permit for that event at the Golden Valley Veterans Park. When she and the VFW post 2555 took donations from the public for. Disturbingly, someone from the inside of the American Legion gave Leslie Tyler an insurance policy that insured something else, a policy that belongs to the American Legion Post 22. Why did Leslie Tyler use a policy that was insuring some other building? Leslie Tyler used it to try and convince the county into thinking that the October 12, 2025 event was insured. Why would a state delegate do such a thing? Is this a crime? Is it insurance fraud? Her business partner, Debra DeGrant, Quartermaster Cottages, signed off on that application too. Doesn't Debra DeGrant understand that there have been several lawsuits against Leslie Tyler for defrauding people? Has Leslie Tyler ever been ordered to pay an employee that she refused to pay for services rendered? And why would the county assessor Jeanne Kentch be in business with someone with so many lawsuits against her? One of the suits against Leslie Tyler, the state delegate, was because Miss Tyler was renting out property that did not belong to her, collecting thousands of dollars. And why was Tyler not criminally charged? Is it because Tyler is connected to the county treasurer, Sue Ann Mello, the county recorder, Lydia Henry, the county assessor, Jeanne Kentch, Marianne Salem, and others? Listen, after this event, Tyler was exposed by Christine Lopez for the bogus insurance policy attempt, and for the exposure of using a bogus insurance policy, Leslie Tyler sent Christine a harassing private message saying that she is suing the American Legion. Using a few choice words, here's the message.
Look, stupid bitch. My investors and the ads I put up on Facebook that you negatively comment on, I can and will sue the fuck out of you. I have not lost a case. I have no rental or county violations, but you have bankruptcy. You have DWI. You also have where you ripped off Anita and her family. Candace gave me tons of information on it and the BS rental shit you have done here. You best keep your distance and quit commenting falsely about me on Facebook and business, or we will sue the fuck out of you, as well as lien your house for damages. You are going to have to hire an attorney for 20 grand that you don't have. We have 3 on retainers, so it won't cost me shit to sue the fuck out of you, like we are doing the American Legion and Auxiliary.
Now, is this the way a representative of the state of Arizona should be behaving?
Pastor Stevens is in the crowd. Pastor Stevens, where are you? Pastor Stevens!
Is there no decency, nor any integrity, morals, or values within the Republican Party representatives?
My name is Leslie Tyler. I'm sure you guys will not have a problem hearing my loud mouth. We'd like to introduce David Rose.
It appears Leslie Tyler was attempting to defraud the county. Most people know about this person and the kinds of things she has done against the community, to the point where Travis Lingenfelter would not even look her in the eye when she handed over a check from the VFW. Here's a friendly suggestion to the GOP and to the public. Tyler should not be around any money whatsoever. Her bad behavior background is a definite issue to the public because she is a public figure. This is a public warning about a public official that was appointed by the county assessor Jeanne Kentch, who claims she is protecting people's property. But is she really? Why would Jeanne Kentch, who claims to protect homeowners in Mohave County, be involved with this kind of person who was ordered by the courts to pay back money she swindled people out of? And why is this state delegate claiming she is suing the American Legion and harassing citizens of Mohave County? In what court is this lawsuit filed? And speaking of courts, Leslie Tyler claimed that volunteer Veterans Court mentor Jim Consolado was sending her veterans from the Kingman Veterans Court. However, recently, Mr. Consolado publicly stated that he would file a lawsuit against Leslie Tyler if she did not keep his name out of her mouth. Is this a regular practice of Leslie Tyler? How many others have been harassed? How many misrepresentations has Miss Tyler spewed out to the public? She also claims she is a non-profit organization. Is this true? How many stories has Tyler told? People beware, and for your own protection, be careful with your money and be on guard, because there are many people out there who are working nefarious angles.
Here at the festival that I designed the flyer for that Leslie Tyler ripped off. Leslie Tyler ripped off. Leslie Tyler ripped off. Leslie Tyler ripped off.
I met a person who has a company that does abatements, and I believe she's been contacting other county department heads to see if her company could help Mohave County. And I don't know if she's in the audience today, Leslie Tyler. I don't know if anybody's had any communications with.
Would you like to speak for just a moment?
LT Mohave, and we're a multi-million-dollar corporation in numerous states, and we do abatements and relinquishments in Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Denver, and Colorado. These are patriots. Julie Coddington, get up here.
And look at this, folks. As far as the fraudulent insurance policy that was submitted by the so-called state delegate Leslie Tyler, our own Mohave County Supervisor Don Martin publicly confirmed this about Leslie Tyler's original submission. Quote, "The clerk of the Board of Supervisors found the issue with the first policy submitted and required a valid one before a permit was issued. Admitting that the policy submitted by Leslie Tyler was invalid, Don Martin further stated, quote, Mohave County accepted nothing from Tyler. When the clerk saw the error, she refused to accept it. No permit was issued. Supervisor Don Martin told the public that no permit was issued. If no permit was issued by the county, this would qualify as a Class 2 misdemeanor violation for holding an unpermitted event. Was this event insured, and was the Mohave Board of Supervisors aware of the fraudulent insurance document? If so, what has been done about it? We are talking about a political figure in Mohave County, a public official, Leslie Tyler.